Hi, welcome to my video on how to find a registry on Amazon. So you come over here to Amazon.com or click the link in the description. It'll take you to the website. Then up here at the top, whether you're signed in or not, they have this drop down. And over here on the left, it'll give you things like wedding, baby. So what you would do is pick on which one you're interested in. And then you can come over here and you can type in like a name. We'll just do Johnson, just a generic name. And then here you go, you have this is some of the different partners that's popped up. So then you can come over here and click on. So there you go. And it looks like, I don't even know if this is a real registry. It seems kind of weird. But anyways, okay, here you go. David Johnson, Jared. Okay, here you go. Jared Johnson, Elizabeth. Um, so there, and you can kind of go through and look and see. Let's try some of these older ones. Let's see if anybody actually has like a decent amount of items. A lot of people do not. But yeah, that is how you can find wedding registries. And then again, you just come up here and you can go over to baby registry, and that allows you to use name or email because you might not have a name for the baby yet, obviously. So here you can just type in. We'll just go. We'll just go Johnson again, just for the heck of it. And here you go. There's some expected arrivals. So we'll just click on somebody here. And basically, oh, so look at them. They have gift cards. They've actually done a bunch of clothing, baby products. And then you can go ahead and, oh, there you go, already purchased. You can add these items to your carts. And how cool is that? So you can just go through and shop right online from Amazon. So anyways, that is how you find a registry on Amazon. It's just right up at the top of the page here, right over here on the left. So you just kind of go through and choose whether you want your baby or wedding registry and go ahead and look it up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks.